Hi, this is James with Vlog My Ride. I'm here at the Timberland booth here at SEMA 2014, and I'm speaking today with CEO of Omni United, G.S. Sareen. Thank you for meeting us today.
Pleasure.
So one of the things I wanted to ask you is, this is an interesting partnership between Timberland and Omni United. What caused that to come about?
We were always interested in doing something with the fashion in the tire industry, because tire industry, we thought, lacked the sizzle which the fashion industry brings to the table. And while we were scanning amongst the brands that we could deal with, Timberland came on tops because of the inherent values that the brand stands for, which is innovation, sustainability, giving back, doing the right, doing the good, all those things, which is exactly what we've been doing since we started the company. So there was a perfect match there.
Nice, nice. Now I know Omni United has been making tires for some time, and they have a proven experience and reputation behind doing that. But what makes these new Timberland tires different from other tires you've made in the past?
These tires are a little more cleaner in that sense because they have to be recycled at the end of their life. The whole process is you make a tire with clean substances, using clean chemicals and things like that, so that when the tire finishes its shelf life, it has to be recycled into the Timberland soles. So this tire actually, after it finishes its shelf life, has a second life as a sole in Timberland shoes and boots. So it had to be constructed slightly differently, using a little bit of different chemicals than normal tires do. And so we worked with Timberland engineers to come out with the right compound and the right combination to do that.
You know, I find this innovative because I don't hear about too many tire manufacturers out there that take responsibility for the environment in the way that Omni United and Timberland have done with this particular project. What are some of the key features you'd like consumers to know about these new tires that would make them want to go out and change to buy these Timberland tires and the models that are going to be offered out there in the future?
The most important thing is that these tires will not be used again after they are finished with their life, because sometimes people change their tires with a little bit of residual life left on the tires, and those tires are typically exported out of the country to some third world country where, because of economic reasons, people still use those tires. But we've taken a stand that these tires will not go anywhere. We will responsibly take these back, clean the thing, take the rubber and the steel out, and recycle the rubber. Because typically what happens, a tire goes through its shelf life. Once it's finished, it's taken off. Either it's used in some recycled material, or it's shipped out to a third world country. When it goes to a third world country, it's used for some time, and after that, they just throw the tire around. So it may end up in a water body, in a river, in a pond, where some animal or some kid may be drinking water, and so what you're doing is we can clean up the mess from here and throw it off in some far off land, but I think it's our responsibility not to do that. And this is also an effort in that direction. And we're just not trying to clean up the thing. We're also giving the chance to a consumer who buys the boots to know that this has been made in a very responsible way, to a consumer who buys a tire to know that this will be recycled in a very responsible way. So we will make sure that none of our tires that we sell ever end up in a landfill or in a water body polluting the environment.
That's very commendable, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.